Hey everybody, and good Sunday morning. Let's do a quick weather update for you during the second half of the weekend. Our big stories, of course, today. Some rain and, more importantly, some wind. We've been talking about this for several days, and it's already turning pretty blustery out there this morning. Let's plot up the radar and the wind gusts and the isobars, the lines of equal pressure. That's all those white lines on the weather map this morning. Those are packed pretty tightly together, and that's usually an indication that, yes, it's pretty windy out there. The wind gusts right now are nothing all that bad, but we are expecting them to get quite a bit higher as we get into the afternoon. Strengthening area of low pressure up across the upper Great Lakes is partly what's responsible for the wind that we'll be dealing with throughout the course of the day today. Showers are pushing through this morning. The most numerous showers will be this morning. And even though it may try to rain again this afternoon here and there, I think the wettest part of the day will be this morning. And I say that because we do have on our high-res modeling here this band of showers pushing through this morning, and then with our actual cold front pushing through early this afternoon. Here's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. This is when the actual cold front will be rolling through. There could be another skinny band of showers with this. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, outside chance of thunder with this as well. And once this band pushes through, the wind will really be pretty nasty, and the temperature will start to fall as well. And as you can see, not much rain beyond that aside from a stray shower by this evening. So here's our model wind gusts. This morning, a gust of 40 or so will be a possibility. This might be a little bit overdone, I should say, this morning. I'm more concerned about this afternoon. We've been talking about the possibility of some power outages and some impacts from the winds, and those would be most likely this afternoon. Here's 2 o'clock this afternoon with that cold front pushing through. These numbers are a little hard to see, but the model is trying to spit out some 50 to perhaps even 55 or even 60 mile per hour wind gusts across the area early this afternoon, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and then the wind will start to diminish slowly as we get into the evening, although it's going to remain pretty blustery. We have a cold start to the work week coming up for Monday, Tuesday, even into Wednesday, but beyond that, this does not look like a cold November pattern. These are just model numbers, but it gives you a sense as to what we expect over the next couple of weeks as far as the trends go. And in the run-up to Thanksgiving, I'm not expecting a whole lot in the way of harsh winter-like cold weather. Lots of high temperatures in the upper 40s and 50s. And keep in mind, as we get closer to Thanksgiving, our average high gets down to about 44 degrees. So mild weather by Thanksgiving means highs mostly above 44 degrees, of course. And the 70s that we had about a week ago, they are gone. But what is not gone is a generally pretty benign temperature pattern for the next couple of weeks. I'll have more updates on the longer range in Weather for Weather Geeks coming up this week. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of your Sunday, stay dry, and charge up those devices in case your community does lose power this afternoon.